Angel. Angel, why are you mad? Why are you suko? Because unsa tita? Mo ba? Ha?
Because you're bad girl.
No, are you bad girl, Angel? Angel. Angel, you wait lang kay kung mag-inom ka na, di nakakait. Nag-bye si Mama Tita og food. Pero si Mama Tita, dapat sila dua, para sila tambok.
Ako wala.
Oh, Maki.
Si Papa.
Yes, Papa is here. Papa is here, be. Hi, I love you.
Papa.
Love you. Very good. Angel, you wait for the food.
Daddy. Kay.
Oh, Nanaw. Nanaw, say thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya. Later na lang siya pag na food. Thank you. Okay. Alive na siya.